John of the Military Pitbull Project walks into Wang's business. He's got his laptop with him. He shows him a documentary. What do you know about this, Wang? Yes, it's Wang's nighttime activity. We all know what the Chinese do. We see their faces. We don't see them during the day. This is what Wang does at night. And John of the Military Pitbull Project is conducting these documentaries, him and his men, and spreading that news in the community so that they know it's not that meek, humble businessman. It is the devil's people in charge of hijacking your call to me right now, 424-229-4140. Thumbs up, John. Keep up the good work. Expose those cowards.